Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm here with yet another video on roll-up summary in Salesforce admin. So we learn that what is roll-up summary. So roll-up summary fields in Salesforce summarize data from the set of related detail records, and automatically it displays the output on the master record. These can be used to display the sum, maximum, minimum value of a field in a related list too, and also help us to the count of all the records listed in the related list. Now for further how we can create roll-up summary, we'll watch the demonstration. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll click onto the gear button and then click onto the edit object. From here, in the staff object, we'll click onto the fields and relationship. Then we'll click onto the new button. Here we'll select a data type as master detail relationship, and then we'll click to the next. Then we'll select the related list as hotel summary. Next, now here we will fill the label as hotel summary and then click to the next. Then again we'll click on the next button, again next, and then click to the save button. So this is how we can create a master detail in staff of hotel. Now we'll click onto the object manager, and to the drop down we'll click onto the hotel summary. Here we'll create a field onto the new button, and then we'll again click onto the data type as roll-up summary. Then click next. Here we'll fill the label name as number of employees. Then click to the next. Here we'll click onto the summarized object as staff. Then we'll click onto the count and then next. We'll again click onto the visible option. We'll unselect it and then select all and then next, and then save. So this is how we create a roll-up summary. We will check how roll-up summary works. So now we will create multiple records on the parent object to check that the parent object count its child or not. So firstly, we'll click onto the new, and we'll create a hotel summary name as a record, and we'll name it as Bravia and click to save. Now we'll create one more record in the hotel summary as Mansingh, and then click to save. Now we will create another records in staff as, then click to new, and we'll name it the staff name as XYZ, and hotel summary as Bravia. and click to save. Now we'll again click onto the hotel summary and click onto the Bravia. Now here we can see the number of employee is 1. So this is the count of the parent record, that how many childs are there in hotel summary. Here we can see that hotel summary named as Bravia in staff as the parent. Now we'll click onto the new. Here we'll name another as ABC as the staff of the hotel name, and the hotel summary name will be Mansingh. And save. Here we'll again click onto the hotel summary and we'll click onto the Mansingh. Here we can see that Mansingh has also number of employees as 1. Now we'll click onto the staff and click onto new. We'll create another record as PQR and hotel name as Mansingh and click to save. Now we'll click onto hotel summary, click onto Mansingh. Here we can see the number of employees count as 2. So till now we have seen that how we can add records in roll-up summary, and now we will see that how we can delete the records and will it affect the parent object if we insert or delete the child object. So we'll click onto the PQR, click onto the drop down, we'll click onto the delete option and we'll delete this. We'll click onto the hotel summary and now we'll click onto the hotel name as Mansingh, and here we can see that it affects the parent, and so it has changes from 2 to 1 as the number of employees. So yes, it affects the roll-up summary, and so that's all about the video. We'll meet with new topic in another video. Till then, thank you, and do like, share and subscribe the channel.